Hello students, myself Popere KS, Assistant Professor at Rare Shikshan Sanstha's RBNB College, Srirampur. In this lecture, we are going to see the further topic, that is topic of sterilization in plant biotech. So in last lecture, we have discussed about the media preparation, how we are going to prepare the media. Now the next topic is sterilization. So what does the word sterilization mean? Sterilization means the sterile, that is maintaining a aseptic condition, or sterilization means keeping a thing away from certain contaminants or any that is so what we are going to study sterilization in regard to the plant tissue culture. So in plant tissue culture, how this sterilization is important. As sterilization of what is important, in last we have studied about the media preparation. So media which is prepared, that should be sterilized. All the other equipments that we are going to use in the plant tissue culture, that all need to be sterilized. So sterilization means that is keeping the our vessels, our equipments, our media, then our explant, all the things away from the contamination by certain that is fungi, bacteria. This all can be called as sterilization. So there are different techniques, we can say. By this we can keep our all the things which is going to be required during the cultivation or during the entire PTC process. So these all are the things which we are going to do for sterilization. So there are various chemicals that can be used, disinfectants are there, then there are other methods by which we can do the sterilization. So suppose first is sterilization of all the equipments. So all the equipments like forceps, scalpel, then the inoculating needle, all the things, these are sterilized by, that is we kept it under all the things, all the operations that are going to be done under laminar airflow only. Okay, so first we will going to see the sterilization of the explant. So how the sterilization of the explant is going to be takes place. So what is a explant? For tissue culture, we select a particular plant that can be called as a mother plant, and the part of that mother plant which we have selected for culturing, this particular part is called as the explant. So what is explant? The plant part is the explant which we are going to culture or keep it on the that is nutrient media. Now explant is selected for inoculation. Inoculation means, inoculation is a process in which we are going to study later after the topic. Inoculation is inoculating the explant on a nutrient medium, that is called as inoculation. So how the explant is now going to be sterilized. So for sterilization purpose, explant is washed with liquid soap. We can wash it with liquid soap or any other, that is antiseptic solution to avoid the contamination. So by using firstly we are going to wash it with the plain water, then with the distilled water, then with the liquid soap, and then with the disinfect, that is antiseptic liquid. Now this antiseptic solutions or this liquid, this will keep away that is the fungal or the bacterial contamination. So by this, that contamination can be avoided. So it will avoid the contamination by that is by fungi or by bacterial. Now the explant, after this, as we have washed with the antiseptic solution or with the that is liquid soap, then we are going to again wash it with the distilled water. So why this is done? Because the remnant of the antiseptic solution, as it will contain certain types of the chemical, it should not remain attached to the plant material. So again it is washed with the distilled water many times. So remove the chemicals which may be present on that explant. So it is washed with the distilled water. Then the explant is transferred to the laminar airflow. So before transferring it to the laminar airflow, it is washed with, that is 95% ethanol. So the surface where we are going to keep the explant now, the laminar airflow on the surface, it is firstly washed with the 95% ethanol, and then we are going to keep the explant on that surface. After that is wiping it with the 95% ethanol, then the explant is transferred onto the laminar air flow. Now while doing all this, the person who is doing all the operation, if the person itself should be sterilized, means while working on the laminar airflow, this much hand should only be enter the surface of the laminar airflow. That too, the hand should be washed with 95% alcohol. So ethanol, that is 95 we should firstly wash the hand and also later on sterile it with the 95% ethanol. Now then we should, or the person doing the operation should wear an apron, and the apron should also be sterile, nicely washed. It should not contain any contaminants, so it should be sterile, it should be free of the contaminants, and then we should do the further operations. Then the sterile operation should that is apron should be wear, and for now doing all the that is culturing process, we are using the different equipments like the inoculating needle, the forceps, then the scalpel, all the things, the metallic things which are present on that laminar airflow, that should be, firstly it should be dipped in ethanol, that is 95% ethanol. Then it should be burned on a spirit lamp. So after that burning, it should be kept aside for cooling, and then only we should take the equipment for further culturing. So all the metallic equipment, it is dipped into the 95% ethanol, then it is burn on a spirit lamp, that is heated on a spirit lamp directly on a fire, so it will catch fire. After certain amount of time, the fire will be it is not there, then we have to cool it, and after the cooling only we have to proceed further for the operation. So this is the sterilization of the equipment. Then there are certain types of the disinfectants that can be used during this process or during for sterilization, that is hypochlorite, NaClO. So it is only 1% of the hypochlorite, that is NaCl2, can be used as a disinfectant. Then 4 to 10% calcium hypochlorite, so that is CaClO2. This should be in the concentration, that is 4 to 10% of the calcium hypochlorite can be used as a disinfectant. Then the commercial bleach, that it should have a 5% active chlorine in it, so that commercial bleach can be used having a 5% chlorine. Then 1% bromine water, it can also be used as a disinfectant. Then 0.01 to 0.1%, that is mercuric hypochlorite, that is HgCl2. It is most commonly used during the plant tissue culture. Then 70% ethyl alcohol, so this can be also used as a disinfectant. Then 10% hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2. This is also commonly used. So these are the different types of the disinfectant which we can use during this plant tissue culture. Now the disinfectant, next the disinfectant we are using, it should be washed properly from the explant, or the chemical it will be remaining on that explant. So a disinfection should be washed properly before inoculation of the explant. So before inoculating, the explant should be properly washed with the distilled water. Now during the suppose we are selecting seed as a explant, so how the sterilization process can be done. So the seeds are surface sterilized and then cultured, especially on the basal media. So they are surface sterilized, then by sterilizing, so as if we are using seed as a explant, that should also be properly sterilized, then only it should be cultured on a medium. So if we are sterilizing the seeds, then we are going to get that is the seedling which are contaminant free, or seeds they are cultured that they will give rise to a aseptic seedling. So before using seed as a explant, it should also be properly sterilized. Then in case of the anther and the shoot tip meristem or shoot tip culture, the anther culture and the shoot tip culture, they should be, as it is taken from the outside, that is directly from the environment. So before culturing, it should be properly sterilized. So there are different chemicals which are used used for disinfection or for sterilization purpose. So these are anther culture and shoot tip culture. There is addition of few drops of surfactant. So this surfactants are Trito X or Tween 20 to the solution is done. So this is these two chemicals, it is added during the sterilization process. One more solution, that is solution of Ketavalon. For 2 minutes it is added to it is added as a disinfectant or as for sterilization. So by using this, as we are bringing or taking the anther and the shoot tip from the environment, that is from the outside, so it may have n number of contaminants. So by using this, that is Trito X, Tween 20 or solution of Ketavalon, we can reduce the chances of contaminant, or so the contamination it can be reduced. And what is this solution are going to do? This will enhance the sterilization efficiency. So the sterilization efficiency of certain disinfectant, it can be increased by adding that is chemicals Triton X and E20 or solution of Ketavalon. So by this we can sterilize the explant. This is it. Okay, thank you.